household arithmetic, I have divided the 4 different subtopics: electricity bill, telephone bill, water bill, and taxi bill. Alright, now I'm going to divide you in 4 different groups, but I'm going to now shuffle you. Okay, I have some chits over here on the table. I have some chits. Can you please now sit accordingly? A, B, C, and D. Can you please suffer? This group is known as a group of experts. You can use your textbooks, and I have also brought some samples. This is of Nepal telecommunication. So first group will be electricity bill. There is a sample bill for you. Okay. Second, telephone bill. Just read the instructions properly over there. This is the water bill and taxi bill. You are going to discuss in a group. You can go through the sample bills. You can use your book, the electricity bill, telephone bill, water bill, and taxi bill. Which department of our country looks after all these things? And now I'll be giving you these some color papers. Now remember, this is the group of experts. After you finish with this presentation, okay, you just leave it on your table. Time will be given to you. And you see there 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, right? After that, all 1 will go to the same table, all 2, all 3, and all 4 will be going to the same table. And that is called the home group. In the home group, 1 will be expert. And that 1 will be explaining all remaining 3 about their strategies, their findings, their research, everything. So now, the home group expert should explain all the 3 members. You'll get 3 minutes time. In 3 minutes, you have to explain everything. I'll then ring the bell and then just switch.
I will ask questions.
Rupees 9.50 per unit. So like from here, 0, that will be the minimum charge. Got to express their ideas.
Rather than hearing boring lecture from the teachers, we were self-motivated.
The method was really helpful for us. We got to learn and teach at the same time.
Students got the chance to speak and explain on the topic, and also our speaking skills is increased.